360-degree hello, I am Florian Ambrosius and I am taking you on an immersive ride in the new C-Class. Have a look around, there's a lot to take in. Thanks to this latest model's new athletic proportions, the body styling is slimmer and sportier than before. Bold and notable exterior features are the power domes on the bonnet and the grille with the Mercedes-Benz pattern. Let's take a look inside. The interior is all about modern luxury. The cabin is designed as your personal feel-good space. The levels of comfort are really impressive for a car in this segment. And there are also some fantastic futuristic touches in here. Watch this. I log in with my fingerprint and the car has my preferred seat position saved, as well as display styles and temperature. And now, off we go. The entire C-Class model range now has new 4-cylinder engines. Available as petrol, diesel or plug-in hybrid, they all offer increased efficiency and power at the same time. Every C-Class comes with an electrified drivetrain, either as a plug-in hybrid or a mild hybrid version like this one. It is basically a system that enables your engine to be switched off whenever it is not needed. And when I brake, it recuperates energy. Okay, of course you will have noticed this substantial new display in the center. It is fully customizable and conveniently tilted towards me as the driver, and I can talk to it easily. Zoom on map. Okay, here we go, curvy roads ahead. Now, the C-Class comes prepared with rear axle steering. This is a feature coming straight from the latest S-Class. With just a little bit of steering input from me, the car manages really well in these curves. This may be the most stable, best driving C-Class ever. The assistance systems have been updated too. For the first time, the active steering assist is supported by a 360-degree camera which films and analyzes the road and feeds this input into the system. Well, what a ride, guys. Thanks for hopping in. For my entire day with this awesome car, watch the full film. You'll love it. Take care.